Hello, hi, good morning. Hamsiga, Noor. Yes, close the door. Yes. Then who else is there? My Mitra, Sinchana, Parinita, Anushka, Sara. Then who else? Taka taka taka. Parindeep, Yashviga, Aradhya, Hasini, Pooja. Then okay, these all our students are online now. Sinchan I called. Then who else? Okay, so only 38 students are there. Okay, Shreya BR, BB Amina, yes, Diksha MN, Diksha, yes, yes, she's telling yes. This is sir called me, yes. Okay. Then who else? Nirvridi, Sandrat, Pranita. Pranita, brother also attending the class. Hi, brother. Hi. You are attending, no? Good. Attend. Yeah. Sarah is ready with the book, everything. Is it? Sarah? Yes, she is ready. Okay. Yes, we will come back. Yeah. Sachit, yeah, so happy. Sachit. Good. Okay, children. Yes, one thing I will say you. Mostly 30th. Okay, 30th of this month, you will collect your notebooks back. Correct? No, you have submitted notebooks. Okay, one confusion is there. Some they have written, what is that? Division, class, name, everything, but some they didn't write at all. So I don't know how we will correct. Okay, correct and keep it there. One problem we are facing. First one. Second one, some parents have written there the notes. Some parents have written there. Correct no? Pranida, correct no? Yes. Some, not Pranita's notes. Okay. Some notes. Okay. Parents have written there. So what I did, just I checked. I didn't correct. Just I checked that one. All chapters are completed or not. And I have written there some remarks. Read the remarks. Okay. Read the remarks. Okay. Everything is there. So notes, when you are coming to school to collect your notes back, that day, those who didn't complete the assignment, please submit on that day. Okay, once again, I'll repeat. Those who didn't submit your assignment till now, please submit when you are coming to school for collecting your notebooks back. Clear? When those who didn't complete the assignment or didn't submit means that day you have to submit it. Yes. Clear about the 2 points? Yes. Second one. Now we will go to the class. We'll go to the class. Okay. Now we'll go. Last class we have learned about the hardwares, input hardware and output hardwares. Now we will see. I will show you one thing. Okay. Do you remember this room? Did you remember this room? Yeah. Yes. This is your, which room it is? This is which room? Computer lab. Computer lab. But no one is there. Computer lab, no one is there. What to do? Okay. I don't know when you will come to school. Correct now, Sajid? When you no idea when you are coming. Aradhya? Yes? Yeah, we don't know when you are coming there. Okay, Varun, do you want to come to computer lab? Varun? Yes. Okay. So these are the hardwares. So these are the hardwares. Everything is ready. When you have to come, just you come. Okay. Yes. I am sitting in computer lab and taking class. Okay. We have a offline class also. Yes. Now you take page number 23. Please take Ligida. Please take textbook and page number 23. Ligida Charit Babu. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good, good. Yeah. Okay, so Kavya, take page number 23. Did you take page number 23? Yeah, good. Tanishta, did you take textbook page number 23? Yes, Lakshmi. Yes, okay. Now we will start. Yes, okay. Tanushri, we are starting. Next point is types of software. Types of software. Nihar ji. Ah, good. Yes, Nihar is doing. What is doing the little sir? Nihar. Yes, take page number 23. Types of software. Okay, types of software. Yes. Okay, Shreya. You see figure 2.9. You see figure 2.9. Can you see figure 2.9? Yes, figure. Yes, page number. Yeah, you see here page number 23. Here you see figure number 2.9, classification of software. Classification of software. This figure you are seeing? Yes. Now we will see. What is the types of software? Software, it is classified into three: system software, utility software, and application software. Repeat, softwares are classified into three: system software, utility software, and application software. Okay, in the system software, what are the system softwares? Operating systems, device drivers, and language translators. Okay, and applications are, there are many: general purpose and customized, like we will explain one after another. Yes, so we will see here software. First one is system software. Here you have seen system software. I will take the pencil. Yes, the first one we will see. Yes, system software. Here you read, system software refers to program, underline, designed to control the operations of a computer system. Okay, read please. System software refers to the program designed to control. It you have to design to control. What do you have to control? The operations of a computer system. Computer, how to work, where to work, when to work, everything is controlled by the system software. These programs assist in running application programs. System softwares can be classified into three. Which are the three? Operating system, drivers, and language translators. Here, operating system, drivers, and language translators. So first one you will see operating system. Operating system is the underlying master control program. Master one, the best. Operating system is the master control program. Got it? Yes. So which is the master control program in the computer? Operating system. Operating system comes in system software. Okay, got it? Where is the operating system will come? Operating system will come in system software. Yes, some example we'll see. What are the few examples of operating system? Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, okay, Macintosh, and these are the examples of operating system. So we are talking about software. The first one is system software. In the system software, there are three: operating system, device drivers, language processors. The first one is operating system, which control the master control of the program. Examples are Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Second one, what is second one? Device drivers. What is device driver? Drivers, driver, car driver, bus driver. Yes. Driver is a computer program that enables a computer to, underline please, interact with a hardware device such as printer and pen drive. Printer and a pen drive. Okay, now children, listen. Yes, now I want to connect my mobile to this computer. Yes, so just you connect your computer, it will browse. It will browse. What happened now? This mobile is connecting to this PC. Okay, so we need what? There is a software which is connecting from this mobile to your computer. Got it? Okay, now suppose there is a earphone. Okay, there is an earphone or pen drive or what else? Or projector, printer. Yes, if we connect a printer, you bring a big printer, nice printer, and you connect it to your computer, will it work? Charit Babu, will it work? New printer, you connect to the computer, suddenly it will work? Yes. Will it work? Yes or no? No, it won't work. The company, suppose if it is a Canon company, if it is a HP company printer, so they will give one small CD. That CD, what you have to do, we have to install in computer and you install in your device, then only you can get the printout of that one. So we need which one? Device driver. Device driver of mic, device driver of camera, device driver of projector, device driver of printer. Correct, Tanishta? Yes, they will give one CD we have to install. So that is called Diksha. That is called Achieve. Yes, that is called Diksha. What we call device Diksha, device drivers. What do you call? Device drivers. Okay, so device driver comes under which type of software? System software. Clear? Next one is language translator. Language. Suppose I am talking to you in English. Yes, you know English, that is why you can understand what I say. Correct? If I say Telugu, those who know Telugu, they can understand. If I say, who is this one? Anushka, I am telling her in Chinese language. Anushka, will you understand Anushka? No, because I also don't know and you also don't know. Yes, so there is a translator. Suppose something you are hearing in Chinese language, so you need a translator. There is a program. Okay, such programs are called language translator. Language translator. So please underline. What do you have to underline? Language translator as a program that translates computer language program. Underline. Translate a computer language program into a machine language. Machine language. So what is a language translator? The language translators are softwares or programs which translate, what they translate? Any languages to machine language. Okay, and the computer language program is called source code. So computer language program is called source code. Then what is the object code? Machine language. Machine language is called what? Machine language is called object code. Yes, computer can understand your language. Okay, computer. Hey, computer, just you play one music, please. Will it play? Computer will play? No, it is not Alexa. Correct now? Yes, Alexa, you heard? Alexa, yeah. Alexa, you can say, yeah. Just you play one movie. Krudant, I will say, hey, computer, please play one Kannada movie. What is that? Poguru movie. Just to play now. Will it play? Krudant, Poguru movie will play there now. No. You have to double click on that one. Okay, so there is a program which translates computer languages, okay, whatever we type, to the machine language. Machine can understand only one language. Okay, that is zeros and ones. Okay, we will learn more about that one. Clear? Now once again, we will go to the chapter. Now 3 points we have seen. 3 points we have seen. What are the 3 points? Yes, softwares. The first category is system software. In that one, operating system is, and second one is device drivers, and third one is language processors. So this much is clear. Got it? Yes. What is next? Utility software. This is the second one. This is the second one. Utility software. What is a utility software? Come here. Utility software is a program designed to do underline maintenance work. So what is the function of utility software? Doing maintenance work, like painting, or some patchwork, cement work. No, it is not like that one. Okay, what is then maintenance work in computer? Adding antiviruses. The first one is antiviruses. What is the function of antiviruses? It will detect and remove malicious, that means harmful program. Antiviruses. Yes, examples are McAfee, Quickheal, and Norton. So utilities, what is the function of utility software? Maintenance work. Yes, and what are the maintenance work will do? Using these antiviruses, it will detect and remove harmful, malicious programs or anything. Okay, next one in the utility software is backup. Why do we need backup? Suppose if your computer has gone in electrical fluctuations, what you have to do? So always you have to copy to hard disk, CD or DVD, etc. Okay, so whenever the system failure can be restored from the backup. So you underline restore, you can restore. So what is a backup? What is a backup? Yeah, backup means you are saving something from your computer to pen drive or cloud storage somewhere else. Why? Because anything happened to your computer or mobile, then you have another copy in another place. That also comes in backup software. Also comes in which category? Utility software. Next one is compression. Compress. Okay, why we want to compress? The large files that it takes less space for the storage. So compress means what? Pressing, compressing. Okay, pressing and make. Okay, now what is the meaning of compress? What is the meaning of compress? Look here, this is a big this is a sheet. Yes, this is a sheet of paper. Now what is the meaning of compress? Compress. You see, now you see here, compress. What happened now? If you want to keep a long paper, so how much space you want? This much. See here, this much space you want. Okay, if I compress, yes, you compress. So how much space you need? Only this much. See here, only this much space is needed. Understand what is the meaning of compress? Yes. Same way, software is also compress. You can compress, make it small. So compression, Diksha, you are informing, you are explaining to mother, I think. Correct? No? To whom you are explaining? Yeah, good. You can explain. No problem. Hi. Who is that? I don't know who is that one. Yes. Okay. So whatever it is, compressing. Same way, there are few softwares, compression softwares. Okay. Compressor softwares that will comes in which one? Utility software. Okay. And next one is disk defragmentation. Okay, once again, what are the 4 softwares of utility software? First one is And Anushka, first one is, which are the security softwares? Antiviruses. Okay, it will detect and remove the harmful one. Second one is backups, backup. Third one is compression. And fourth one is disk defragmenter. Yes. Okay. Now the next one, next category is application software. Next one is application software. What is application software? Application software, please underline. Application software is designed to help users to do, underline, users to do specific work, specific work, specific work. Children, using WhatsApp, can you do calculation? Can you do calculation? Yes, I am opening one. What is that? What is that? Yes, WhatsApp. I am opening WhatsApp. In this WhatsApp, Pradyum, can you calculate 10 plus 50? Can you calculate in WhatsApp? No. No. You open a calculator in mobile. Can you record your voice? La 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 la. Can you record? No. Because calculator is an application. Calculation, okay, Tanushree, calculator is an application which we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponent, everything. Yes. WhatsApp is a software. Okay, WhatsApp is another type of software. Okay, application software which you can send and which you can video call. Hi, hello. The video call. Hello, Tanushka. How are you, Tanushka Roy? You will WhatsApp now? Yes, correct. So WhatsApp is an application which you use for social explanation or a video sending. Jeevan, correct now? With this earphone and all. Yes. Yeah. Then Facebook. Facebook is there. Facebook is another application software. Same way. Now you come back. Okay. Same way. See the textbook, page number 24. Page number 24. Okay. So application software has specific word. Example, word processor, MS Word. Can you record voice in the MS Word? No. We have to type. Presentation software, database, accounting, and spreadsheet. So these are the examples. Each software have its own specific word. Okay, and another type, inventory management system, payroll. Example, bank. You know that Google Pay. Yes, using Google Pay, can you send one video to somebody else? Can you share? No, Google Pay we have to use for transferring money and all. Okay, and hotel management system. So these all are the softwares. Okay, reservation system. Bus ticket you will book. Train ticket you will book. Flight ticket, flight ticket you will book. Yes, yeah. So they have its separate software. Okay, Flipkart, Amazon, they have their own application. So these are called application software. Okay, clear? Yes. Next one is scanning. Scan. Okay, scanning. What is scanning? Yeah, underline please. Scanning is used to check and correct errors. Scanning. Is there any virus in the computer? If virus is there, you detect and delete. So these all things we can do with the scanning software. Scanning. One example is given there. Not that much important. I am not explaining this one. Okay, but we have to know only what is scanning. Scanning means scanning programs is a utility program used to check and correct errors. Okay. Yes, that's enough. Only one point is enough. I am not explaining too much. Yes. Okay, next. What is next one? Next point is page number 26. Page number 26. Yes, page number. Defragmentation. What is that? Defragmentation. Please repeat after me. Defragmentation. Yeah, once again, Anushka, defragmentation. Yes, Krudan, you say, what is that word? Defragmentation. Okay, now what is defragmentation? Lakshmi, what is defragmentation? Yeah, okay, Shreya, defragment, listen here, I will say, okay, defragmentation. Fragment, see here you have a shelf or cupboard at home, cupboard at home. Sarah, shelf is there, shelf? Yes, cupboard. Yeah. Then in that shelf there are different, see here backside there is one shelf. Did you see one shelf there? Did you see one shelf? Cupboard, bureau, what something you say, bureau. Correct, no? Yes, I will open. I am going to open here. Yes, I am opening there. See here. Yes, there are many what is that? Many shelf like here. This is one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I will keep my mobile. I'll keep my mobile here. Yes, I'll keep this paper. I will keep this paper here. Okay, and I close. Yes. So what I did, all the mobiles I will keep in the shelf one place. Correct? No? Top. All the papers, your answer paper, your assignment papers, everything I will keep in the shelf second one. Yes. So that is called defragmentation. In computer, yes, AM. Yes. So we call this is as a defragmentation. Defragmentation. Okay, we will underline. Okay, what is exactly there in computer? Defragmentation. Yes. So defragmentation here. The computer does not find enough space. Okay, underline from here onwards. You bracket, open bracket. The computer does not find enough continuous space to store a particular file in full. In such a case, it breaks up the file into parts called fragments and serves these fragments wherever it finds space. Only this point is enough. Okay, why we are doing defragmentation? Underline. This has no immediate negative effect other than slowing up. This you underline. Okay, now you'll come back. I will explain. Okay, listen here. Yes, what I will take. Yes. Okay, I will take, children, this chair. I have taken this chair. Okay. Yes, this chair. So this chair, I open the shelf. I am putting inside. Putting. Will it go inside? Will it go inside the shelf? This big chair is big one. Is it put it inside? Is it possible to put inside? No, we can't. Then what do you have to do? Then I will take this chair and I will break. I'll break. Okay, I will break this chair in pieces. I will throw here and I will break. I will break with the leg and all. Yes. I'll break and make it small pieces and put it inside. Super? Sarah, super idea? Yes, Sajid is super idea. Aha, super idea. Is it a super idea? Aha, very nice. That means principal will catch me. Ah, Lijo sir has broken one chair. Ah. So that means you want to put me in trap. Correct, na Shreya? Lakshmi, you are saying it is good idea. Breaking the chair and put it in the shelf. Ah, very good. I will collect money from you only if father catch me. Correct, na Diksha? Yeah, Diksha. Yes, good. Charit Babu. So may I break this chair? Will you give money? Anushka, will I break this chair? Ah, so what is that? Okay, come back. We will come back. So what is the meaning of defragmentation? Defragmentation. Defragmentation means suppose you got a new, what is that one, Kannada movie, Jivan, and the Chayan. Okay, you got one Pogru movie. Okay, there are many movies. I know only Pogru movie. Okay, means I know many movies, but suddenly only Pogru movie is coming in mind. Okay, that's why always I'm telling Pogru movie. Yeah, Noor, you got one Pogru movie. Do you like? I mean, Pogru movie you don't like. Okay, leave it. Tom and Jerry movie. Yes, or what else? Cinderella, new movie came, no? Sahitya. Cinderella, new movie came, Cinderella. Yeah, Shreya, I have given to Sahitya one Cinderella movie. That movie is 10 GB. The Cinderella movie is 10 GB. But my mobile is very small. Or my computer D drive is very small. That is only 5 GB. So where I will save this one? Okay, so computer will divide the 10 GB of Cinderella movie into different parts. 3 GB one, okay, and 5 GB one, 2 GB one. This will divide, and 3 GB will save in D drive, 2 GB in E drive, 5 GB in F drive. This function is called defragmentation. Kaushik, I have seen your mobile. Nice movie, Kaushik. Yes. Okay. So, did you understand? You forget the what is that? Pogru movie you forget. Cinderella movie you forget. Even this chair. Okay, this chair also forget. You have to understand the meaning of defragmentation. What is the defragmentation? The big movie or big file will cut it in different pieces, and where there is a space, it will save there. When I click on Pogru movie or Cinderella movie, it will collect from everywhere and join, then you can watch the movie. So this is called defragmentation. Clear? Did you get? Yeah, very good. Sammatala, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now I conclude this chapter. Okay, I'm conclude. Tanushree, I'm concluding this chapter. Okay, saying what I want to say. Saying again, I will share the textbook. Please take page number 23. Please take page number 23. Figure 29. Figure 29. Okay, Salman, are you there? Okay, Nirvrudi, are you there? Yes. Vaibhav Nayaka? Yes. Okay, now take page number 23, figure 2.9. Yes, once again we will revise. Now you see, okay, what is your page number? I will type page number 23. Yes. Do you remember this one? Today we have learned this one. Classification of software. There are 3 classifications: system software, utility software, and application software. What are the system softwares? Operating systems, device drivers, and language translators. What are the application softwares? General purpose and customized. Okay, I am stopping here and I will do one activity. Yes, I will do one activity now. Please take page number 29. Please take page number 29. Yes. Okay. Page number 29. Okay, now exercise. We will do exercise. Yes. I will say, if I on the mic, all will say yeah. You will shout and make sound. Correct, Nandavadi? Yes, many will shout. So I am not switching on. Just you can text. You can text there. You can text the correct answer. Okay. So I am sharing my window. What is the window here? Page number 29. Page number 29. We will see the exercise. Yes. What is the first one? Fill in the blanks. The physical components of a software system that we can see and touch are called. What is the first answer? Hardware. What is the first answer? Hardware. Hardware. Okay, second one. A dash is a unique combination of vertical bars that presents product information. What is that? Barcode. Second one is barcode. Third one. Dash is used in banks to read bank check. Plotters. Plotters. Is it plotters? No, it is not a plotter. Is it a plotter? No. What it is? Third one is magnetic ink character reader. Then dash, a dash printer. Okay, of course, of course. Printer produces patterns of raised hands. Plotter, plotter. Yes, and the last one, of course, only one is there. Okay, only one is there. That is Brainly. Wrong. It is wrong. Exactly, exactly. Yeah, some are saying wrong. Correct. Then what is the correct answer? Yes. So plotter is a printing device. Plotter is a printing device. And Brainly is a printer, produces patterns of raised dots. Raised dots. Okay, so first one is hardware, second one barcode, third one magnetic ink character reader, and fourth one Brainly, and fifth one plotter. Yes, you will submit. Yeah, everything is correct. Everything is correct. Clear? I hope you are writing. Okay, I hope you are writing in the textbook. Yes, you write there. If you have done wrong answer, please write correct answers. Okay. So this is a light pole, a baby. Who is that? Sachit. This is a light pole. This is a test. Okay, this is the objective type questions. Again, you are asking light pole, light pole, light pole, light pole, light pole, light pole. Okay. Correct now? Huh. Again, Shrael. They are not getting it. Salman. Very good, Salman. Very good. Okay. Now, again, we'll come back. We'll come back. Yes. Okay, next one. True or false? Please correct it. I'll try. Yes. First one. A barcode reader is used to scan the barcode on each purchased item. True or false? Barcode reader is used to scan. Yes, it is. It is true. It is true. It is true. Second one, a smart card reader can read and write data on the card. A smart card reader can read and write. Yes, of course, it is also true. Next, what is next? An LCD projector is a type of input device. Okay, it is a input device. Okay, is it true or false? Third one. Third one is true or false? LCD projector is an input device. LCD projector is input device. Wrong. Wrong. So that is false. Then what is the correct answer? LCD projector is a type of output device. Correct it. What is the correct answer? LCD projector is a type of output device. Okay. Or you can rearrange how it is. Keyboard is a type of input device. Like that also you can write. Keyboard is a input device. You can correct like that one. Yes, good. Fourth one. An operating system is a type of software. True or false? Operating system is a type of software. Yes, of course. Which one? It is true. Which classification of software operating system is a system software? Remember? Remember? Operating system is a system software. Yeah. Next one. An antivirus program is a utility program. Antivirus. Antivirus is a utility program? Yes, it is also true. Please correct in your textbook with pencil. True, true, false, true, true. Okay, please correct in your textbook. Everything is correct. Got it? Okay, and the last one. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Which of the following is an input device? Which is the following is an input device? Plotter? No. Barcode reader? Yes, it's an input device. Brainly printer? No, it's output. LCD projector is output. So which is the answer? Barcode reader. MICR characters can be seen on the exactly bank checks. It is capable of reading printed forms used for objective type exam. Oh, of course, you know, because you have used which one? OMR, optical mark reader. OMR. So, which is the correct answer? C, optical mark reader. Fourth one, which of the following is not, listen here, which of the following is not a kind of system software? Language translator is a system software. Driver is a system software. Operating system, that also system software. Payroll. Payroll is a application software. Correct? Yes. Payroll is a application software. And the last one, which of the following is not a utility software? Which is not utility software? Disk fragmenter, of course, utility only. Antivirus is utility. Backup is utility. And Windows 7 is not at all a utility software. Then which software? Which program? Operating system. That means system software. Okay, I will submit. Yes, everything is correct. First one, what is the first one? Which is the input device? Okay, this is correct only. Input device, which is it is written wrong, but it is correct only. Barcode reader. Okay, please correct it. Yes. Okay, we'll come back. I'll come back. Yes. Okay, children. Now you listen here. Salman. Yes, good. So this chapter is completed. Next day you have to learn. Last time you learned last few 3 question answer. No. So remaining question answer and full forms you have to learn. Full forms, like what is the full form? MICR, OMR. Then what else is there? OMR. Then BCR, OCR. So like that, short forms you have to learn. Yes. Okay, full forms you have to learn. Remaining question answer you have to learn. There will be a test. Of this chapter next week, not tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I will ask questions from this chapter. Okay, so I will ask only questions. You have to learn well. Read this chapter, second chapter well. I will ask questions. Are you ready for the questions? Not now. Now it is the 43 minutes. Only 2 minutes I have. Okay, 2 minutes are remaining. So I will conclude today's class. Tomorrow we will do the revision. Okay, tomorrow we will do the revision. I will ask the question. You have to answer. Okay, and you have to show your answers. Tomorrow you have to show the notebook. I am correcting now. And what else? Yeah, that's all. Anything else? Okay, now one thing. I am winding up. 44 minutes. Only 1 minute is remaining for me. Okay, 1 minute. Kaushik is showing something else. I can understand. Yes. Okay. One thing. Tomorrow revision of this chapter you have to learn. And yes, next week there is a test of this chapter. Okay, and again last reminder, those who didn't submit the assignment, please submit in the school when you come to collect back your notebook. I think that is this month 30th. Okay, this month, that means day after tomorrow. Okay, father will send message. So you have to submit your assignment on that day, those who didn't submit. Clear? Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubts, you can text me. Okay, text is okay, it's a 2-3 seconds are there. You can text me any doubts are there. I am winding up the class. Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay. Now you can ask, make sound. Blah 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 blah. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Enough. Enough. That's enough now. Because you are, I want to see you are so active. I want to see so you are here. Dhruti, I want to hear your sound. That's why I just switched on. Okay, bye. Digant, bye. Last time he switched on the camera. Very good. Digant, bye. Good. Thank you.